But you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. What do you even what do you even I get lost when I look in your
DNF! Di na-appeal! Let's go!
Five, four, three, 2, 1, go. Go down. 30 seconds to start. Maulan pa mo ko?
Record?
1 week before na lagi maran.
Okay.
Jer, ayusin na dun. 20 seconds to start. 10 seconds to start. Rider ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Pedal!
Diba, kita basihan doon.
Doon nga. So, nakikita nyo, yung mga tira namin, halos puros case talaga. Wala, parang elite lang tsaka mga bata yung nakaka-clear na ito. Siguro sa 40 hours, konti lang din. So, tingnan nyo lang ang gano'ng kalaki, papakita ko sa inyo. Yan, yan yung isa sa mga tabletop. Ito yung last tabletop. Tingin ko ito yung mas malaki, pero yung receiver niya medyo mahaba. Hindi kagaya nun. Receiver niyan pag ganun. Malaki din yun. Malaki din to. Pang Whistler Bike Park Moon Booter. Papakita natin kung may titira na isa, tingnan natin, sana medyo ito yung malalakas sa 40 uppers para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung tabletop. Kaya kalaki yan. Sana ma-maintain tong bike park na to para meron praktisan dito sa South, Central Philippines, Visayas, Leyte. Phew. Go Bet! Woo! Pajak! Pajak!
Tulog yan ah.
Yan si Obet, dating taga TQ. TQ boys!
Screen lock mo yan,
Naka-on. Shower out! Rico.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Something does. Tayo ng run.
Grabe ito ah.
Chill ride.
Pag race, wag yung disgrasya. Karang may uli na panaog. Igdo, itong nag-ugat. 10 seconds to start. O, ingat ha. Time ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Diar! Pas-pas kayo! Tagsara na eh! Wow! Pajak! Phew! Ay, good!
Ready! Wow!
Woo!
Alright!
Paspasa! Ay!
Oh, ito na!
Ako!
Si boss!
Nico mo! Wow! Welcome to the Goo.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.